Okay, what is up everyone out there in YouTube land? Today we're going to do an unboxing of GoPro Hero11 Black. Creator Edition, Australian version. So the packaging, a little bit unique for GoPro. It comes in this cheap Christmas wrapping. Get rid of that and here we go, the GoPro Hero11 Black. So the main features of the GoPro Hero11 Black are listed on the back of the box here, but it's got a better sensor on it, good for 27 megapixel still photos. It's got hyperview, for which you'll need to purchase a separate hyperview lens. It's got the horizon lock, which is what I'm most excited about, and it's got the sensational Hypersmooth 5.0. and it's got 10-bit colour processing. So with the creator pack, as well as the GoPro, you also get an Enduro battery, which are heaps better than the old batteries. These are the white ones. Right, let's rip this bad boy open. Ah, boy, am I excited about this. Okay, first thing you notice, got a great box. Never seen that before on a GoPro. And what do we got here? Creator Edition must be updated before you use it. Got the mod pack, which comes with the front and back microphone, comes with the hot shoe, comes with the red on off button, and a couple of little flaps and stuff. Got, of course, the GoPro camera, GoPro Hero Black 11 camera. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. Got the light mod with the removable cap, which everyone loses. See if we can do something about that. We got the Volta tripod and battery pack. Got, I think I read it's got 2.8 of the Enduro batteries in here. So let's have a look. We got the wind guard for the microphone. A couple of stick-on things. This one's for the helmet, which I'll be putting on my mountain bike helmet. Got a cover here to go on the side of the mod. Got another jiggy there. Got a couple of screws here. Standard GoPro proprietary shoes. Got a couple of USB cables here. Don't know where you get two. Anyway. And got another shoe mount thingy here. And that seems to be about it. I gather these are going to get chucked in the bin. I don't know. Does anyone use these? The GoPro Hero11 Black. Let's see what we got here. Got a couple of stickers. That's great. Instructions. Quick instructions. Alright, let's put this thing together. Now, one thing I did want to mention for the Australian customers. This is very weird. I went to buy a spare Enduro battery from the GoPro website, and GoPro said they won't send them to Australia. There's something about the USP doesn't allow batteries, so I had to go down to the local electronics store and buy one. So it's okay for them to send this, but I can't purchase a spare battery. I know, right? And this is Raymond from Nice Right Now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get ready for the next one.